we're gonna make something fun today for kids and for ourselves to be happier in those days. We are gonna start building our tent here, so it's gonna be our lockdown camping. We have fireplace over there, we have tent over there, and we are planning to just stay in the tent tonight. Hopefully the temperature will be around 60 degrees. Let's get started. Oh, they went to sleep. It's my turn now.
Hello guys, welcome to my dad's channel, and I will be putting up these chairs right here, these 3 ones, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and yeah, let's go, do it. Is this good, Dad? Okay. Second chair.
guys. Good night.
Good night.
How was your last night?
Last night, it was perfect. I liked it. We had a pretty good, like, fun time at the campfire, like, right here. And, yeah.
And what about the noise? It was coming from the neighbors last night. They were partying, I think.
4 hours straight. What kind of party is that?
It was a Corona party,
Literally,
Saturday party.
2 of our neighbors, like 12 cars. The neighbors that were partying, they had like 40 cars. Like, we couldn't like sleep for like.
I think you're a little bit exaggerating that.
There was
I saw a few cars, but not 40 cars or 12 cars.
What? They were so noisy. Like,
Okay.
they didn't care about Corona.
Okay, Akif, what about the early breakfast you had? Or Burhan, you can say something. Was it hard to get up early?
Early breakfast at night? I didn't think it was like a good idea to eat early breakfast at like middle of the night. Was it?
Okay. It was not middle of the night, it was around 5 a.m.
That's usually when like 11 or something.
What was the difference between like sleeping in the tent or sleeping in your bed?
Oh, there was like a huge difference.
What was that?
The bed was so much more comfier than my bed, but mine's still pretty comfy. And I had a tiny bit hard time sleeping with 2 kids around me. I was in the middle, my little brother was beside me, and my big brother was.
Okay.
I was kind of switched because like it was not that big of a air bed, right? And
What was another issue you had last night, for sleeping?
oh yeah, once I don't have my wolfie,
What is whoopee?
my Siberian Husky actually, I sleep.
Is that a stuffed animal or a real animal?
No,
real pet?
stuffed animal.
Okay. So you always sleep with it?
Yeah, like a lot.
For how long you have been sleeping with it?
I actually don't know.
Since you're...
I got it when I was 3, I
Okay.
think. Did I? Now I'm 7 and I still have that wolfie. And I couldn't sleep last night because I didn't have it and we lost it.